how to change language on the Pinduoduo app. Alright, so let's begin with the video. For that, first of all, you want to go ahead and open the Pinduoduo application in your mobile device. Once you open the application, first of all, you want to go ahead and simply connect your WeChat account. Tap on this profile button right over here. Then simply tap on this green button just like so. It will then be able to connect your account with WeChat. Tap on accept and continue, and just like that, tap on allow. So once it is connected, you'll find the WeChat icon right over here just like so. Once it is connected, hit back to your home screen and then open the WeChat application. Once it is done, in the search bar, search for Pinduoduo, and once you search for it, you want to go ahead and tap onto it. So if your WeChat account is connected to your Pinduoduo account, you'll be able to find this kind of interface right over here. So in order to change your language, tap on the three dots. Then inside here, you'll be able to find the translate option right over here. Tap onto it, and just like that, you'll be able to change the language on Pinduoduo. And that's it. So that's basically how you can change language on the Pinduoduo app. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.